What kind of lifestyle do you belong to? Chinese style, urban modern style, minimalist Nordic style, romantic Euro-Korean style, sustainable kid style, country style, classic American style, or mattress for health. We have a total of 8 different styles for your selection to create a comfortable dream living. Where do you get your life inspiration? Under intensive and careful process of material selection, we strive to create each individual piece of high-quality furniture piece. We are trusted by 3 million families, which we have collected their preference style to further create and innovate new designs to fulfill your dream living. We have 1,200 furniture products for your selection, with an average of 70 new products monthly to create a different style of living to accommodate your taste. Would you prefer more options to choose from? We have a professional customer service team to solve all inquiries online, furniture, collation, and other issues. We have 400,000 square meter of digital warehousing center, along with automatic high-intelligence logistics system. We have close to 100 showrooms within the first-tier and second-tier cities in China to allow online and offline furniture shopping and to fulfill each and every requirement towards dream living. Do you want to come with us in our journey? Today, we are extending our belief and services through Tmall's Home Exhibition Fair in Malaysia, France, Australia, and many other countries. Our first partnership outside of China will be in Malaysia for our Malaysian friends to experience our ideology. We would want to spread our love so that all consumers in the world are able to share our technology, quality, and passion. LINSY Home would fulfill your dream house.